How to add text in Paint.NET. So guys, I just have the program open right here. I'm gonna show you how you can add text. So first, make sure you create a new layer, because if you write the text on your background layer, it's gonna move it like so if you try to move the text as well. So simply create a new layer right here by pressing the add new layer button. So from here, what we're gonna do is select the text icon right here, or we can just simply press T. And we need to change some things before we start typing. So first we should choose the font that we want to use. For example, let's do Forte, like so, and then we can choose the size of the text as well. So I'm just gonna choose something big like 108. And then of course we have the other options like bold, italics, and underlined, as well as crossed, strikeout, as well as the alignment of the text. So right here, let's say I've chosen Forte 108, and the next step is just choosing your color. So I'm gonna do this in red, like so, and simply click anywhere on the canvas that you wanna type. So for example, right here, and I'm just gonna type hello. As you can see now, if I try to move it by selecting this key, this option right here, it doesn't move the background. So like this, I've written one word, and if I wanna add a new word, I can again simply click on my text icon right here and type anywhere under it and continue typing. So if I wanna type hello world, but I wanna make the world a different color, I'm just going to choose yellow from underneath, and again, like I said, I've clicked under it and I'm just going to type world like so. And yeah guys, that's how you do it. If you want to move it around, you use this icon, move selected pixels. And that's how you write text in Paint.NET. I hope this was easy for you. I hope you managed to understand it. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like and sub if this helped you out. Bye bye.